In today's digital era, AI writing tools have revolutionized the way we create content. These advanced technologies have opened up new opportunities for individuals to make money by leveraging their writing skills. Welcome to today's video, where we explore the exciting world of making money with AI writing tools. In this rapidly evolving digital age, AI technology has emerged as a game changer, revolutionizing various industries. Now, it's time for you to harness the power of AI writing tools and unlock lucrative opportunities. Let's dive in. Content creation and freelancing. AI writing tools have revolutionized the field of content creation, empowering individuals to produce high-quality articles, blog posts, and social media content more efficiently than ever before. These advanced tools offer features such as automated research capabilities, SEO optimization suggestions, and content generation algorithms that can generate engaging and well-crafted content with minimal effort. Freelancing platforms like Upwork and Fiverr provide an ideal marketplace for individuals to monetize their AI writing skills, attracting clients who are in search of quality content for their businesses. Digital marketing and copywriting. In today's competitive digital landscape, businesses strive to maintain a strong online presence and effectively engage with their target audience. This has led to a soaring demand for persuasive copywriting and compelling digital marketing strategies. AI writing tools have emerged as invaluable resources in this domain, providing marketers and copywriters with intelligent algorithms that can generate highly engaging sales copies, email campaigns, social media posts, and landing pages. These tools offer features like sentiment analysis, keyword optimization, and personalized content generation, allowing marketers to create content that resonates with their audience and drives conversions. Chatbot development. Chatbots have become integral to modern businesses, enabling them to automate customer support, improve user experiences, and engage with website visitors. However, crafting natural and engaging conversational scripts for chatbots can be a challenging task. This is where AI writing tools come to the rescue. These tools leverage natural language processing and machine learning algorithms to generate conversational dialogues that sound human-like and enhance the overall user experience. By harnessing their AI writing skills, individuals can offer chatbot development services to businesses, helping them streamline their customer interactions, provide instant assistance, and deliver personalized experiences. Whether it's creating chatbot scripts for e-commerce platforms, customer support systems, or information retrieval applications, AI writing tools can significantly contribute to the success of chatbot implementations, allowing businesses to save time and resources while delivering exceptional customer service. Content strategy consulting. In the digital landscape, businesses often struggle to create and execute effective content strategies that align with their goals and target audience. This is where AI writing tools can serve as valuable assets for content strategy consulting. As an AI writing tool expert, you can offer consulting services to help companies develop comprehensive content strategies that encompass content planning, creation, distribution, and optimization. By leveraging AI-powered tools, you can provide data-driven insights, conduct keyword research, analyze content performance metrics, and develop content calendars that align with business objectives. This holistic approach allows businesses to drive organic traffic, engage their target audience, and achieve their content marketing goals. E-commerce product descriptions. The exponential growth of online shopping has emphasized the importance of persuasive and compelling product descriptions. AI writing tools can generate product descriptions that captivate potential customers, highlight product features, and evoke emotions that drive purchasing decisions. By offering e-commerce copywriting expertise, individuals can partner with online businesses and e-commerce platforms to enhance their product descriptions and drive sales. Leveraging AI writing tools, they can create unique and engaging descriptions that differentiate products in a crowded marketplace, effectively communicate value propositions, and establish a connection with the target audience. AI-powered language translation. In our increasingly interconnected world, accurate and efficient language translation is vital for effective communication. AI writing tools have transformed the language translation landscape by providing real-time translation services with remarkable accuracy. Leveraging AI-powered translation tools, individuals can offer language translation services to individuals, businesses, and organizations. This includes translating documents, websites, marketing materials, and even facilitating multilingual meetings and conferences. By capitalizing on AI writing tools, translators can enhance their productivity, improve translation quality, and expand their client base. Resume and cover letter writing. Crafting a compelling resume and cover letter is crucial for job seekers to stand out in a competitive job market. AI writing tools can significantly enhance the process of creating professional resumes and cover letters tailored to specific industries and job positions. These tools provide templates, suggest powerful action words, and offer personalized recommendations to improve the content, formatting, and overall effectiveness of these critical job application documents. By offering resume and cover letter writing services, individuals can leverage AI writing tools to deliver exceptional and tailored job application materials that increase the chances of landing interviews and securing desired positions. AI-generated news articles. The digital era has revolutionized the field of journalism, with an increasing demand for news content. AI writing tools equipped with advanced natural language processing algorithms can generate news articles based on real-time data and relevant sources. Individuals can leverage this technology to establish their own news platforms or collaborate with existing media outlets, offering up-to-date and engaging content to readers. AI-generated news articles provide a valuable supplement to traditional journalism, enabling faster delivery of news, extensive coverage of topics, and diverse perspectives. This innovative approach to news production can open doors to partnerships, sponsorships, and advertising revenue, allowing individuals to monetize their AI writing skills while meeting the insatiable demand for news content in the digital age. Content editing and proofreading. AI writing tools not only assist in content creation but also enhance the editing and proofreading process. These tools employ sophisticated algorithms to identify grammar and spelling errors, suggest improvements in sentence structure, and offer style and tone recommendations. Individuals with expertise in editing and proofreading can combine their skills with AI writing tools to provide high-quality content editing services. By leveraging AI tools, they can efficiently and effectively polish written materials, including books, articles, reports, and marketing collaterals, ensuring that the content is error-free, coherent, and engaging. AI-assisted creative writing. Creative writing, such as novels, short stories, and scripts, often requires inspiration and a touch of artistic flair. AI writing tools can serve as valuable companions in the creative writing process by providing creative suggestions, generating plot ideas, and even assisting in character development. These tools can offer alternative word choices, analyze literary patterns, and help authors overcome writer's block. Individuals can leverage AI-assisted creative writing to enhance their own creative projects or offer ghostwriting services to aspiring authors and storytellers. By combining their creativity with AI algorithms, writers can streamline the writing process, boost productivity, and contribute to the creation of captivating literary works that resonate with readers. As we conclude this video, we hope you've discovered the various ways to make money with AI writing tools. The opportunities are vast, ranging from content creation and freelancing to digital marketing, chatbot development, content strategy consulting, and e-commerce copywriting. Embrace the power of AI writing tools, hone your skills, and dive into these lucrative avenues. Remember, the key to success lies in combining your creativity and expertise with the immense potential of AI technology. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more exciting content and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for the latest updates. Until next time.